What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I am here with another big body banger, man. And today in this video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to get high quality crispy vocals on Bandlab. Hey, on the iOS, Android, the laptop, whatever you use in Bandlab for. Today I'm about to show you how to get that, man. But before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, man. I appreciate all the love y'all showing me. Comment down below if y'all want to see some suggested videos. I'ma do them. Trust me, I'ma see you and I'ma do them. I'll reply to all the comments. We're about to hit 2,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate it. I feel blessed. But without further ado, I'm not gonna hold y'all up. Let's get into this video, man. So basically what I do is I import my track, and you know, I got a lot of tracks. What I do is I just you know, I save beats to my files, and you know, I just throw them on there. So in this video, I just throw on a Polo G beat. Alright, so once you get your track in there, basically what you want to do, just go to effects and, you know, put that compressor on there. The compressor really just deals with on how loud or how low, you know, it's sounding. And then the noise gate, always keep a noise gate on you, man. That's gonna block out all that. You hear all that noise? Now it's gone. That's the power of noise gate. And then, you know, you can throw a little reverb on. I always just put like a little reverb on when I'm rapping, but I'll always keep a reverb on and echo when I'm singing. So just keep that in mind. But you really don't need much to have high quality vocals. You just gotta know what you're doing. So compressor, noise gate, hey. And look, this is just another tip. If you have a bad mic but they're still good headphones, I advise you to just go to iPhone microphone. I don't know if this is on Android or computer, but this works really well for the iPhone, so I highly recommend this. If you got a bad mic, just use the iPhone microphone. It's gonna get you, man. And another thing, you don't want to, like, you know, put air in the mic. You don't want to use it to where it's like you're close but you're not breathing in it. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If you like mess up your song by, like, you know, just put, you know, that airy noise, you don't want that in your song. It's gonna mess up the quality. And what you want is your song to sound like it came out the stew. You feel me? And Bandlab can do that. Just don't be breathing all in your mic. But somebody vibing to your music, I don't think they want to hear all that. They don't want to hear all that. All right. So, hey, but as y'all can hear the difference, the headphone microphone, they don't sound that good. But this, it sound crispy, man. No cap. Let me make sure we still recording, cause I just got okay. All right, now, hey, man. Now for my yeah, it's pretty much all it is. You know, compressor, noise gate. Now I'm about to get into the ad libs. Oh yeah. Always use punchy rap, man. This is my highly recommended preset. I use punchy rap because it just sounds so dope. But now we are on to the ad libs. For the ad libs, I put on Hype Box, and what I do on Hype Box is I take a couple things off, because the Hype Box, it's an ad lib, but they got a couple things on there that'll mess your voice up. So just keep in mind to take them off. I took Vibe 2 off, and I mentioned I don't want my voice sounding all weird. I don't want no chorus, I don't want none of that on my ad-libs. I just want clean ad-libs. Now, throw that noise gate up. Noise gate is so important, so just keep that in mind. Got the noise gate, man. And yeah, I'm about to just get into it. I'm about to rap, and we about to throw them ad-libs on, and let's get it. Don't be running up my patience, no, I can't be waiting. 420 in this blunt, now I'm elevating. Disliking all my songs, why the fuck you hating? Yeah, I'm really in my mode, really stacking paper. Yeah, I thug it on my own, patiently waiting. Yeah, patiently waiting. Yeah, I thug it on my own, patiently waiting. I'm destined for greatness. Yeah, I thought you was my homie, but you niggas faking. Niggas switching like the season, I ain't even gon' say shit. I ain't worried about nobody, I don't do exchanges. Frustrated on my mind, flipping through these pages. You don't know about my pain, you see it from afar. It's kinda hard in the dark with a broken heart. Yeah, I thought you were my homie, on your start. see the real and the fake, I can see apart. I was the little something I wrote in my book, but let's see how that sound. Don't be running up my patience, no, I can't be waiting. 420 in this blunt, now I'm elevating. Disliking all my songs, why the fuck you hating? Yeah, I'm really in my mode, really stacking paper. See, now that sound crispy. That sounds so crispy. Now what I'm finna do, we finna double bag with the ad-lib. Let's get it, man. I'm about to bag, gotta ask me. No, I was playing. Don't be running up my patience, no, I can't be waiting. 420 in this blunt, now I'm elevating. Disliking all my songs, why the fuck you hating? Yeah, I'm really in my mode, really stacking paper. Yeah, I thug it on my own, patiently waiting. Yeah, patiently waiting. Yeah, I thug it on my own, patiently waiting. I'm destined for greatness. Yeah, I thought you was my homie, but you niggas faking. Niggas switching like the season, I ain't even gon' say shit. I ain't worried about nobody, I don't do exchanges. Frustrated on my mind, flipping through these pages. You don't know about my pain, you see it from afar. It's kinda hard in the dark with a broken heart. Alright, that's really all it is to having high crispy vocals. I could make a 30-minute long video on how to do that, but this video is short and to the point. You don't need to do all that extra stuff to get some crispy vocals, man. This is what I do. I put my iPhone microphone on if I got a bad mic. I put on punchy rap. Turn that compressor up a little bit. Throw my noise gate on. Little reverb if I'm feeling it. We go to the ad-libs. Hype vox. Noise gate. Don't mess with this. Compressor, you already know the vibes. Mess around though. Another thing I want to tell y'all, you can't really rely 100% on another person's presets. You gotta really work with your own voice and see what's best for you. I'm not saying stop watching the kid videos, but I can only lead you to the water. It's only up to you to drink it. You feel me? I can't force you to drink the water. So if you really want to find your vocals or whatnot, test around with the features and all the presets they give you, man. But hey, Bandlab is a goated app if you want to make some high quality mobile music. I said mobile because you ain't got to be in the stew. But hopefully y'all like that video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. We about to hit 2,000 subscribers. I appreciate all my supporters. You already know the vibe, man. Like I said in the beginning of the video, no words can express how I feel, man. This is just crazy. But let's keep it going, man. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out. Peace.